everybody, today we're going to go ahead and demonstrate to you one of our brand new items. To my right, you're going to be looking at our commercial 50 cup rice cooker. This is a commercial 50 cup rice cooker. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and show you the front of the unit. Over here in the front, you have controls. Also, we have a plug right here. It runs on 220 volt. We'll go ahead and show you all the information in a bit. But before that, I want to go ahead and open up the lid and show you the inside. You will be provided with an instruction manual booklet. So if you have any questions or don't know how to use the rice cooker, all the information is going to be on here. Okay. Also, you will be provided with these tools as well, a cup and a spoon here provided. Okay. Also, another thing, you can take off this piece right here. Okay, so you can take it off where the cooking is done. And I'm going to go ahead and measure that bowl for you. Just so you have an idea what it measures, you're looking at 18 inches by 7 inches. Okay, 18 inches by 7. Now, I'm going to go ahead and show you the bottom of this cooker. And on the bottom is where you can locate all the specs on this cooker as well as certification. This rice cooker is certified by the health department. So you can locate the certification on the bottom sticker. As I mentioned, this is your plug, runs on 220 volt. Alright, so this is a 50 cup rice cooker. If you're interested in one of these rice cookers, go on our website, coolerdepot.usa.com. We'll update more information regarding this rice cooker, including the price. Now, if you have any other questions, you can also give us a call. We'll help you guys out. Thank you for watching.